Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angel Velez. I am a real estate broker with Home for Life Realty, and we're going to be having an open house on this property here on 3402 Peachtree, and this is in Richmond, Virginia. And just want to let you know, this is actually new construction, even though you see this property here just existing. But the beauty of it is, it's not a new construction with a corporation. It's actually an individual that built this property just last year, finished it up, and we have it for sale, and we want you to have this property here in Churchill. This is the historic town of Churchill here in Richmond, Virginia. So I'm going to take you inside this property to show you the property and show you how beautiful this is, starting with this absolutely brand new porch. Now everything in this property is brand new. Remember that this is new construction, even though it wasn't built by the big builders. It's just beauty, all beauty inside. Everything that this house is high quality material. It was built just last year, so it's a brand new construction. Just keep that in mind as we go through the property, and we're hoping that you make it here for the open house, which is going to be Saturday from 12 to 3 p.m. this Saturday, February 3rd at 12 to 3 p.m. to come out here and do this open house with us and take a look at this beautiful house. So as you can see, this is an open concept. This property is actually 3 levels, folks. 3 levels. You got your LVP, which is luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's not your typical hardwood flooring. However, it's luxury vinyl plank, which is sometimes even more durable than your hardwood floors, and just the beauty of it comes right out. You got your granite countertops right here, brand new kitchen. And just to let everyone know that these appliances, high-end Samsung appliances, do convey with the property. You got your island right here, brand new cabinets, so you got plenty of space to put away all of your dishes and whatever else you want to put in storage in here. And you also get the pantry that comes along with it. So not only do you have enough storage for your cabinets, but it also has a pantry, a very good pantry right here. And if you move further here to this location, you have an exit. This actually goes to the outside. But what I really wanted to show you is this bathroom here. It's a beautiful bathroom and lots of space in here, half bath. So you've got beautiful cabinets, brand new cabinets. All the mirrors that come in here. Everything that's in here is brand new. All the lighting is spectacular here. So you have updated lighting in this property as well. Now this is just the first floor. It's just the beauty of it, the first floor. So if we go up the stairs, we're going up to the stairs to the second floor. And what I love about the second floor, that this is where the primary bedroom is at. And the primary bedroom, really the second floor, belongs to the new homeowner in this property. So if you take a look around as I go upstairs, take a look around, as you can see down from the second floor going up the stairs, you can see the beauty of the living room and how open it is. This is the second floor, which is basically your space. And in your space, you also have the laundry room. The laundry room is pretty spacious itself, and it's got Samsung washer and dryer, which also convey with the property. So you're getting all new appliances throughout, and brand new appliances. This is my favorite part of the house. This is your primary bedroom. Lots of space, lots of lighting, all new lighting. So you've got your recessed lighting. You've got your walk-in closet right here. Lots of space for all your clothes. I mean, I'm just saying, this is just spectacular build right here. New rugs and everything. You're gonna love the bathroom. This bathroom is just absolutely beautiful. Check it out, folks. This bathroom is well done, tile flooring. You've got all the privacy you need in your bathroom. Double sinks, just absolutely soaking tub. I mean, you just can't, you just, whatever you're looking for in a brand new build, you have it right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, look at the lighting throughout the house. It's just absolutely beautiful. So if you move out of your second floor, coming out to the hallway here, you want to relax out here with a cup of coffee. Look at this balcony space right here. You're coming right out to your balcony. Your balcony is just absolutely gorgeous. Sturdy, beautiful balcony right here. You can relax coming out of your bedroom. have a sip of coffee or whatever your choice of beverage is, and enjoy yourself out here with your spouse or whoever your partner may be. You're gonna really love it. Now we got the third floor. So this is where, again, as you go to the third floor, you have some brand new, gorgeous hardwood metal rails. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful out here. So we're coming all the way up to the top of the floor. Now there is a dual heating system, heat pump. So you've got two systems. So you can keep temperature comfortable downstairs, or you can keep your temperature comfortable upstairs. It doesn't have to be equal. So that's a big energy saver right there. So this is your first bedroom up here. Good and spacious bedroom. Each of the bedrooms has their closet space. And again, all brand new windows throughout the home, brand new rugs. So everything looks absolutely gorgeous up here. There's good separation because you've got 3 bedrooms up here. So you got a total of 4 bedrooms in the home, but you've got a total of 3 bedrooms up here. All of them good sized, generous sized bedrooms with their own closets. Just plenty of space in here. You know what I really enjoy about this house is that even if you're not in your room relaxing, you want to just come out here, the loft area is pretty spacious itself, where you can relax, come out here, do a little bit of reading away from your room. But this is the second bedroom right here. Just beautiful second bedroom. Absolutely beautiful, plenty of space. And of course you have your own bath over here. Luxury throughout. This is just gorgeous. Tub and shower right here. This is just beautiful. So I want you to enjoy this house. Again, what I said was we're going to have an open house on the 3rd of February, which is Saturday, from 12 to 3 p.m. Come on, take a look at it. And you are in a historic area, so you're not far away from downtown Richmond, very close to main highways, great eating, walking distance to lots of places. There's just a lot of things that you can do in this area. So folks, we want you to come out here and enjoy this home. Come visit, tell us what you think. If you love this house, give us some likes, send to a friend. Somebody's moving away from anywhere else, coming from different states, the state of Virginia. Come on out, folks. We appreciate you. Thanks so much for your time.